Hey guys, and today we're going to see the best football rejects. These are players who've been let go by big clubs yet still have brilliant careers after their sale. First up is Kasper Schmeichel. What a goalkeeper he is now, and the fact that he was let go by Man City, even Leeds United at one point, shows that, my god, if you just keep trying, you can get somewhere in your career. Now we go to Jerome Boateng, formerly of Manchester City. I kid you not, this guy got sold by Man City in 2011. Now he's arguably the best centre-back in football by Munich, only paid £11 million for him as well, the German club. Juan Fran is next though, guys, and he used to play for Real Madrid. He actually got sold by Madrid though to Osasuna, then he went to Atletico Madrid. It's a really cool story for him. Gerard Piqué is next up though in the team, guys, and this had to be in. This guy used to play for Man United of all teams, then eventually went back to Barcelona from United. It's a really crazy transfer eventually for him as well. Danny Drinkwater, the Premier League champion, that is what he can say now in life. He was let go by Man United, and he used to play for Cardiff as well on loan, Watford on loan, Barnsley, a lot of crazy clubs in the Football League, and eventually found his way to Leicester in 2011, and of course he won the league title with them. Now we go to Paul Pogba yet again. United have released so many very good players in the end in their club history. Paul Pogba obviously got released on a free transfer to go to Juventus, now could be going back to them for £100 million. Kevin De Bruyne is another world-class player like Pogba who was let go by a former club. Chelsea was his club, and apparently Mourinho just didn't get on with De Bruyne for whatever reason, don't really know why. But yeah, he was never really deployed that much to Chelsea, and Mata could be the reason for that back in the day. Now we go to Wesley Sneijder, former Real Madrid player, let go by them, more so due to injuries, but still one hell of a player. Now we go to Deco, the former Benfica player, never played a game for them, eventually wound up at Porto, and I think that Deco actually won the Champions League with Porto in 2004 under Mourinho. That could be wrong, that could be right, let me know. But yeah, we then go to Diego Forlan, 91 rated man, back in the day at Atletico. He actually left Man United after having not a great 2 years with them, really wasn't that great for them, then went up to Villarreal and Atletico Madrid and was a stunning striker. The final player though has to be ROBBEN, formerly, well, Chelsea you could say let him go too early, and Real Madrid really let him go too early. He is now for me one of the best right wingers we've ever seen, and my god, look at these images, guys. Boateng, formerly of Man City, Mustafi, the German centre-back, used to be at Everton, Pogba obviously at United. You've also got this guy, where is it? There you go. It is, yeah, Sturridge, Chelsea, another one you could probably throw into the mix. But let me know in the comments, guys, which players do you think are the biggest and probably best rejects in football? Let me know down in the comments below. Have I missed anyone? Look at these images though. Robben at Real Madrid, I think people forget he was there. Honestly, some of these transfers are so shocking looking back. Hope you guys loved it though. Leave a like for more, and I'll see you all tomorrow.